Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Yesterday we completed poem number 5 and today let us begin this session with grammar chapters. Right? Chali, take out your grammar textbook and be with me. Let us go for the chapter. Now, today we'll start with page number 15, kinds of sentences. Chapter number 4. Now, do you remember children, we have already learned kinds of sentences once in the literature book. There I explained what is interrogative sentence, what is assertive sentence or declarative sentence, what is imperative sentence and what is exclamatory sentence. Right. In this chapter, we are going to just utilize that types of sentences. Now read this conversation. Teacher, did you read the book I gave? Teacher said, did you read the book I gave you? Sam, I just finished reading it. Teacher says, did you like it? Yes, I loved it, says Sam. Teacher, Kate, you must read this book too. Sam, please pass the book to her. There are 3 kinds of sentences in the conversation. Now, can you see that? Can you determine which are the statements? This is, first one is question mark wala sentence, so it becomes the interrogative sentence. So that is the first red box, underline that red box. Interrogative sentences ask questions and always ends with a question mark. These are known as interrogative sentences. Did you read the book I gave you? Did you like it? Now here you can see the question marks are there. So that these are known as interrogative sentence. What is it? Interrogative sentence. So these are both interrogative sentences. Now assertive sentences. I just finished reading it. Yes, I loved it. Assertive sentence are the types of sentence which tells you something. They are neither the request nor an order. Right? A simple statement which tells you something is considered as assertive. Assertive sentences state or tell us something. They always ends with the full stop. Underline this also. Right. Next, imperative statement. Kate, you must read this book too. Sam, please pass the book to her. Now, in both these sentences, आप देख सकते हो, there is here it is an order, here it is an request. So we have already learned कि अगर एक sentence order देता है या request करता है, then it is considered as imperative sentences. So imperative sentences gives an order or makes a request. All right, understood these 3 sentences? Okay. Now turn to the next page. Exercise 1. What kind of sentences are this? Tick the correct option. Now this ticket and Magades HW आपको टिक टॉक करना है. We learned about a new country in class today. Share your toys with brother. Penny can speak 4 languages. I have finished my work. He is the leader of the group. Get into the car right away. Now here आप यहाँ से उसका देख सकते हो that imperative sentences are the sentences जो order देते हैं या request करते हैं, whereas assertive sentences are general sentences and the sentences which have question marks are known as interrogative sentence. Right? Chaliye, so here it is imperative and assertive only, so you have to just tick it. Now come to question number 2. Complete the sentence. Place full stop or question mark at the end. One has been done for you. I like to read comic books. Katie loves going to school. Full stop. Where is your home, or where is your dog, or where is your cat? You have to write a question mark. Right? When it is a question. Please pass me the glass. Full stop. Have you seen my bag? Question mark. Or you can write, have you seen my watch? Have you seen my pencil? Right? Don't be late for school. Don't be late for school. Dogs like to eat bones. Switch off the TV and मम्मा क्या कहती है? स्विच ऑफ द टीवी एंड गो टू स्लीप. टीवी बंद करके सो जाओ. Switch off the TV and go to sleep. Katie loves going to school. Where is your home? Please pass me the glass. Have you seen my bag? Don't be late for school. Dog likes to eat bones. Switch off the TV and go to sleep. Right? Now here, the next paragraph. Now write the correct sentences numbers in the table. One has been done for you. Right? One has been done for you. Now, first one is assertive sentence. I like to read comic books. So it is assertive sentence. So it is in A. Next. Katie loves going to school. It is again an assertive sentence. So it is B. Where is your home? It is interrogative sentence. So we'll write in interrogative. Please pass me the glass. It is imperative. Why it is imperative? Because it is a request. Right? Then, have you seen my bag? It is interrogative. Question mark hai. So here, don't be late for school. It is a command. So F. Over here, imperative. Dogs likes to eat bones. It is assertive sentence. It is a general statement. Switch off the TV and go to sleep. Yes, order. So H over here. Done? Chaliye. Now positive and negative sentences. This is very easy. Positive sentence without the use of no or not, and negative sentence are the sentences which has no or not in them. Positive sentences ends with a full stop. Positive sentence do not have the words no or not in them. Positive में no या not का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता है, whereas negative में no या not का इस्तेमाल होता है. Right? चलिए, come down to the table. Positive is not, has not, have not, are not. Here the short forms are also written. Is not is isn't, has not is hasn't, have not is haven't, are not is aren't. Done? Chaliye, turn the page. We have some more in the table. Do, do not or don't. Can, cannot or can't. Could, could not or couldn't. Right? Chaliye. So now write P for positive and N for negative. This is also your HW. क्या करेंगे? नो या नॉट का यूज होता है तो आप N लिखेंगे. पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस विदाउट नो या नॉट वी विल राइट P. चलिए, now this is your homework. Pick up any storybook and find example of each kind of statement. Write them below. Any statement. Assertive. Assertive is, हमने जैसे पढ़ा, it is a simple statement. There was a crow. Now, interrogative. Was the crow thirsty? Question mark. Imperative. Give me glass of water. Full stop. And affirmative. Affirmative is again a positive sentence. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे. Positive sentences are also called affirmative sentences. Affirmative is simple sentences without the use of no या not. So the crow flew away happily. Done? Chalo. So assertive is a simple statement. Imperative is a command or a request. Interrogative is a question statement, and affirmative is simple positive sentence. So today's homework is chapter page exercise 1 and to 3 of chapter number 4. Now come to next chapter, that is chapter number 5, which has negative sentences. Now negative sentences we already know. Affirmative है वो positive sentences है. So negative sentences are the sentences which has no या not in the sentence. When a sentence has the verbs is or are or am, we add not after the words to make the sentence negative. Underline this thing. Simple. Negative sentence are the sentences which has no या not. चलिए, come to the first exercise. The water is cold is affirmative sentence. उसका negative बना. The water is cold. So the water is not cold. The water is not cold. Full stop. The water is not cold. चलिए, turn the page. Here the negative sentence is written. These trees are not the oldest in the forest. What we'll do, we'll cut not. हम पूरा लिखेंगे. The trees are oldest in the forest. Full stop. Now again affirmative sentence. I am happy with the test result. I am not happy. Yes, verb के आगे लगाएंगे. I am not happy with test results. Next, negative is given. The birds are not in their nets. So we'll cut the not. The birds are in their nest. Right? The crossword puzzle is easy. The crossword puzzle is not easy. Yes. Done. So these are जहाँ पे not use करते, these are negative sentences. Right? चलिए. Now come to the red box. To make imperative sentences negative, we use do not or don't. Come inside, do not come inside. Take your books, do not or don't take your books. Right? चलिए, come to the second exercise. Don't pluck the flowers. Don't be late for school. Don't break the queue. So this is your HW again. Here you have to write don't. Clear? Now, we should not be, write don't before the things we should not be doing. Put a cross where not necessary. Right? Now यहाँ पे dash help your friends. यहाँ पे आगे don't लिखना ज़रूरी है नहीं. So what you will do? You will put a cross. Right? So this is your homework. Exercise number 2 of chapter number 5. Come to the next page. When a sentence has the verbs has, have, had, we add no after the verbs to make it negative. Suppose we had breakfast today. We had no breakfast today. The man has hair. The man has no hair. The flight had turbulence. The flight had no turbulence. Mr. and Mrs. Smith have 2 dogs. Mr. and Mrs. Smith have no dogs. क्या लिखेंगे? No dogs. Clear? So this also would be your HW. Done? Chali. Come to the 4th exercise. Rewrite the following as negative sentences by looking at the pictures. They are waiting for the bus. They weren't waiting for us in the bus. I was wearing my waterproof shoes yesterday. I was not, wasn't wearing my waterproof shoes yesterday. Full stop. I am drinking hot tea. I am not drinking hot tea. Full stop. I am not drinking hot tea. John could hear them talking. John couldn't hear them talking. Done? Chaliye. Filling the blanks with no, not or don't. It is dash sunny outside. It is not sunny outside. These shirts are on sale. These shirts are not on sale. Dash eat junk food so often. Don't DON apostrophe T. Make sure that you are making T capital. Don't eat junk food so often. Sarah is dash making a sandwich. Sarah is not making a sandwich. John and Peter are dash students. John and Peter are not students. He is happy. He is not happy with his new car. Don't forget your lunchbox at home. The students have no homework. ऐसा अच्छा होता अगर homework नहीं होता तो. I am not feeling hungry at the moment. The judge had no mercy for the prisoner. It is not sunny outside. These shirts are not on sale. Don't eat junk food so often. Sarah is not making a sandwich. John and Peter are not students. He is not happy with his new car. Don't forget your lunchbox at home. The students have no homework. I am not feeling hungry at the moment. The judge had no mercy for the prisoner. Here we come to the end of this chapter number 5. Don't forget to do the homework. 2 exercises in chapter number 5 and 2 exercises in chapter number 4. Alright, they are very small exercise, so don't complain कि लंबी exercises है. चलिए, till we meet next. This is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.